So it's the next day. Y'all saw us using the supplied trim tool and these as well to tuck in all the edges. And it's a little bit of a pain, but it comes out looking really nice. Obviously you just want to be careful not to go too crazy and crack any of this. Started stitching on this side. Not really like a sewing person, so just kind of a standard stitch. I just wanted to talk about the corners here because if y'all have seen, it has these extra flaps and everything, and on the back here with this flap, when we were really getting into the corner here, it was kind of overlapping, so we ended up just using a normal pair of household scissors and trimming it to make it so it wasn't really folding over each other to finish the corner there. Right now I'm working on this side. The supplied thread, I didn't end up using enough when I was making the knot and starting this, so I thought I had enough to do the whole thing. It only went to like halfway here, and I had to use more to finish this. I used a long bit for this side to try and do this all in one go, which I think I'll be good. And then we'll go up to the top. On the back here, I think I'll end up trimming this as well, because there's not anywhere to really tuck this easily and well. It's a pretty tedious process, so before you start this, just make sure you have enough time to finish it, because we actually had to drive the car like this without it stitched all the way, so it takes some time, but it's a lot better than one of the steering wheel covers you'd buy at a parts store. So I'm gonna finish threading this section and trimming these pieces as I go, and then basically I'll just use the rest of the thread. Just try to do all of this in one go. Alright, well I just finished, and I did do the one thread from here all the way around, which was kind of a pain, just dealing with that much thread. There was a little like extra on each side here that kind of looks a little like that, but if I was doing it again, I think I would have started and came up to the middle on either side. And yeah, looks good. If you order this, I'll put a link to the website. You can choose whether you want this, and you can get it in many different colors. Even the stitching you can get in different colors, as well as the perforated leather. They also just have normal leather, and then you have the Alcantara or suede. And you can choose to do the whole thing suede, the whole thing leather, or like we did top and bottom suede, left and right perforated leather. So there's a lot of options. On the back here, there's a lot of places I tucked it in, and there's two Phillips head screws back here. I loosened those so I could tuck the rest of it under here and then snug those down. If you're good at stitching, then you might be able to do like a cross stitch or something. I did have extra thread, so I guess you could get fancy with it. I just kind of kept looping it around. Thanks for watching. If y'all could like and subscribe to the video, I'd appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.